Hello, you're right. Hi.
Yeah, I just want an EE SIM card. How much are they?
Each SIM card 99p, please.
Yeah, anyone?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Yeah, you don't have to put a certain amount on every month, do you?
No, you don't have to. But
Oh,
I have a £10 credit included, please, if you're interested.
No,
No, just okay.
Yeah, I've already bought her a top up.
Okay, that's fine. Then yeah, that's fine. Okay.
But her SIM thing's run out. I don't suppose you've got a pound on your right?
Yes, okay. Don't worry. It's all right. It's all right. Don't worry.
You sure?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Oh,
That's fine. Cheers. Thank you. Look after yourself. Thank you. See, guys, how you open Samsung Galaxy bag? You have to change it, boys. Yeah. You have to heat the bag properly. See that? Heat it up properly so the glue is melted. I see, boys. You see these corners, end of the corners. See that? You see that? Nice and softly. Nice. Make sure you have your gloves on, boys. You see? Nice.
Lord, can I pick this up in half hour? Thank you, your diamonds.
All you do is nice and gentle. Look at that. 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 Look. Ah. Look at that. Nice and steady. Look at that. It's not easy. You have to be careful here because this is a fingerprint. Nice and gently. Open this sheet. Heat inside. See, my friends, look at that. Just nice and steady. Very careful. Okay, heat nicely in here. This one needs be small, simple push. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look at that. Nice and gently. Let's see. This is going in rubbish. It's brand new. You see this? Brand new. Glue on the back side.